Just under 2 days away from spring, and well, winter is going out with a bang as we have had the first part of this system give us some snow. That little small band that has been our focal point for the day for the forecast, but you can see more moisture is starting to build in right behind that, and we'll notice that throughout the night. We'll be sitting in the blue stuff, which is all snow, but there could be some areas of pink that make their way up. That will be a mixture between freezing rain, sleet, and snow, and we'll see that more along the lines of Lake Michigan throughout the overnight before things turn all over to snow by tomorrow. But we have already picked up a good 1 to 2 inches across the viewing area with that small band of snow. 30 degrees, southeast winds are at 9 miles per hour. We do have cloudy skies currently, but they will start to show us more of the snow throughout the overnight. Temperatures across the rest of the area in the upper 20s and the 30s as we take a look right here in Marquette. Well, lower 30s and 20s here. And as we take a look just off to the west, 32 degrees in Crystal Falls, 32 also down in Menominee, and seeing more of the lower 30s down in Escanaba, 27 in Manistee and Ishpeming. We are at 27 degrees, while Munising is at 27. Current winds, not too breezy outside, 7 miles per hour at Iron Mountain, 12 miles per hour in Escanaba, while also sitting at 7 here in Marquette. Those winds will pick up throughout the overnight, and we'll see them more along the lines between 10 to 15 miles per hour and coming from the due east. Temperatures still in the lower 30s, 33 in Escanaba. More of the 30s down into lower Michigan at 36 in Oscoda. 40s as you go farther south in Grand Rapids and also in Lansing. And we'll be noticing those temperatures dropping off by tomorrow with this next area of low pressure pushing off to the east and starting to drag it down that colder air. For more snow, it's going to provide a wintry mix also as you get into some of those locations right around Michigan State Road 2. But still going to be pretty windy out there as winds will be anywhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts even as high as 25 miles per hour, and it may be a new season on the way, but it's going to be the same weather as we'll see very cold temperatures in store for us by the time we make our way towards the weekend. Watches and warnings, we do have a winter weather advisory for all of our counties shaded in white. That is from 11 p.m. tonight until 8 p.m. tomorrow, and that is Eastern Daylight Time, so just take an hour away from that, and that will be your Central Daylight Time hours. But we could be expecting anywhere between 4 to 6 inches of snow and into the Keweenaw Peninsula and just into western UP, maybe as high as 8 inches of snow. So we will definitely be watching out for that. And winds, like I told you before, could be gusting upwards to 25 to 30 miles per hour. And this area of low pressure will continue to track its way on towards the northeast, and we will be in the snow region, and the cold air starts to push its way a little farther south, and we'll feel more of that by tomorrow. But most of the mixed precipitation will be down in lower Michigan. But for us, just expect a lot of snow, and tomorrow we could see anywhere between 2 to 4 inches of snow across the entire viewing area, and that will make accumulation amounts very high. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we can be expecting over the next 24 to 48 hours. You can see most of us in that 3 to 6 inch range, and as you go a little farther east, maybe as high as 6 to 10 inches. So definitely watch out if you are going to be traveling over there or if you live over there. Futurecast showing that they will continue to stay mostly dry for us before this next wave of moisture makes its way in. You see barely how the pink grazes its way here towards Lake Michigan. But after this pushes all off towards the east, colder air starts to filter back in. Snow showers, they will fade away, and we will sit pretty clear for Thursday night, allowing temperatures to drop back off yet again closer to the lower teens. 25 degrees, mostly snow tonight. A few ice pellets could be around. East-northeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. But by tomorrow, we'll see that the heavy snow will occur early before that system does start to make its way closer to the east, and we'll notice that snow showers will start to lighten up a bit. Highs will still be in the 30s, 33 in Lawrence, 36 in Iron Mountain, while at 37 in Escanaba and Manistee. Spring countdown only 1 day away, March the 20th at 12:57 p.m., but it doesn't look like it's going to be a very warm start to spring, as highs will be in the 30s, and then we'll eventually cool back off in the 20s and the teens by Sunday.